Welcome to Ask a Teacher, a new program where readers ask questions and teachers answer them. Many VOA Learning English stories and programs use the words sentence and statement. But what exactly does each word mean? Are there differences between the two? This week, our question comes from Armando. Here it is.
What's the difference between sentence and statement, and how can I use them?
Hello, Armando. I am glad you asked that question. The answer will help a lot of English learners. First, think of a sentence as a tree and the three kinds of sentences as tree branches. One branch is a statement. Another is a question. Yet another is a command. A sentence is a group of words that usually have a subject, verb, and information about the subject. Remember, a sentence can be a statement, question, or command. A statement is a basic fact or opinion. It is one kind of sentence. It usually ends with a period or exclamation point. To make this clearer, here are examples of the three types of sentences. The first one is a statement.
Armando studies English every day.
Now, here is the same sentence as a question.
Does Armando study English every day?
And finally, here is the sentence as a command.
Study English every day.
But wait, where did the subject Armando go in the command? We do not include subjects in commands. They are understood without being said. Now, let's turn to the part of the question about when to use statement or sentence. Here is a way to keep it simple. You can avoid the word statement unless you are speaking or writing about something formal, such as written or spoken information from a government official. English teachers sometimes use the word statement, but thankfully, you don't have to. And that's Ask a Teacher. I'm Alice Bryant.
Do you know people who look, talk, act, or think alike? How are they like one another? You can use today's words to tell us about it. Or, do you have a question for Ask a Teacher? Write to us in the comments area.